Hi guys, welcome back to Rhubarb and Burble, and hello if you're new to our channel. Today I'm going to open 3 Papergang boxes. We've got October, November and December. So if you're interested to see what's inside, then please keep on watching. So I've got 3 boxes to open with you today, October, November and December 2020. Each box costs £14 including delivery, and I'll leave my referral link down in my description box so that you can go and take a look yourself. Please also go and visit our blog rhubarbandburble.com for more articles and unboxings of various stationery boxes and beauty boxes. Right, so I think that's all the intel and I'll get these open for you. So let's start with October. Right, now this box did arrive slightly opened, but it's okay, I think everything's inside. I'm interested to see what the theme is. Right, have we got a leaflet? Oh, I can't see a leaflet. Right, okay, well the first thing I can see obviously are these wooden stamps and an ink pad. So we've got stars, a bottle and a hand, and those are rubber stamps. You can see those there. And an ink pad that's obviously been made. Oh Dear is the company name. And what looks like a roll of washi tape with planets or the moon, I'm not quite sure. I think then it's the moon. I'll show you that closely. Okay. I don't appear to have a booklet then this month. It doesn't tell me anything about the artist or anything. Is there anything underneath? No. Right, so we have a notebook which says notes, and it's got sort of a copper coloured embossing on the top. And it's a large dot grid note paper. Lovely. And we've got, what are these? Little envelopes with the star in the corner. I think underneath this must be some sort of writing paper then. Yes, the letter set. So yes, we've got some lined note paper there, and it's got the other little emblems in the corner. So that's the note paper that goes with these envelopes here. And we've got, what's like 2, 4, 6, 8. And we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16. 17 seems an odd number. I don't think I can count very well. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, yeah, 17. That seems a strange number to include. But I've got 17 envelopes and a pad of paper. Yep. And then I've got the monthly calendar, which you can use at any month. And that appears to be it. So, yeah, okay. So that is the October box. So we have obviously the letter set, the calendar, the notebook, the washi tape, the stamp pad, and the wooden rubber stamps. So I'm not 100% sure what the theme is, but I don't appear to have a leaflet to tell me, so I might have to look that up, and if I find out what it is, I shall add it to the description box below. Okay, so that's October. Right, let's try November now. This is a lovely box. It's got foxes, robins, stags, and lovely botanicals on there, stars and moons. Very nice. Right. Let's try this one. Let's see what we've got. Got black tissue paper again. Okay, now I do have a booklet this time for this one. That's pretty. And foxes on there. And I love foxes. Okay, so I'm not going to look at the contents. Meet the artists. Meet this month's Papergang artists, Zana and Harry, the creative minds behind the beautifully illustrated UK-based brand Papio Press. So that's them. And just some more information about them, how they've designed everything. That's that. Right, okay, so we have what looks like 6 Christmas cards and envelopes. Now these look really nice. Looks like there's 3 different designs. Let's take this off, we can have a look. So this one says Merry and Bright, and it's got gold on it, and it looks like it's blank inside with a lovely envelope. So there's 2 of those, and then we've got Season's Greetings with the robin on, and again it's got the gold and it's blank inside. And then you've got 2 that say Happy Holidays with the stag on. Very nice. Those are really sweet. I don't know if it says anything about those in there. Printed onto 280 GSM FSC certified stock with recycled craft envelopes. Brilliant. I like those. And then it looks like we have a pin badge. Oh wow, yes! It's a fox. You can see that there. Oh, that's really nice. It's a lovely gold enamelled pin badge. Fabulous, I like that one. And then we have a notebook. This is good. This is a hardback notebook with a gorgeous gold design on it. Again, in the same style as the rest. Really nice. And inside, oh, it's a lovely peachy colour on the inside. And then it's got lined, quite narrow lined paper. So good if you've got smaller writing. And I can see it also has a ribbon bookmark. And it says A6 notebook, printed on FSC certified stock with a hot foiled embellishment. Lovely. That's great. I like that. And then we've got the monthly calendar. Again, it doesn't appear to have been cuts down the side properly, but nevertheless, there it is. I can always cut that myself. And then we have a shopping list. I can never have enough shopping lists. And this one has got, again, it's got the fox and the leaves and snowflakes. So it's a very wintry theme. And yeah, there's quite a lot of pages on that. So that will come in very handy. Brilliant. And this is their gift. Okay, hang on. Notebook list pad, 60-page pad printed on FSC certified stock, and the pin badge is high quality enamel pin. But it says here gift wrap printed onto 100 GSM FSC certified stock. Now, where's that then? Is that underneath? Ah, yes. Here we go. Right underneath. That's a beautiful piece of wrapping paper. Oh wow, I love that. I think I'll probably use that for crafting something. Gosh, that is lovely. Beautiful. A bit better. Wow, I like that. Lovely. So we've got the notebook, the calendar, shopping list, the wrapping paper, the enamel pin, and 6 Christmas cards. Oh, I really like that month. So the November box, yes, really like that one. Lovely. Okay, we're getting through these quite quickly. Right, and now let's open the the December box, which literally just arrived this morning. So let's rip this one open. Oh, what's this? So straight away, it says fiddle leaf fig, prickly pear, little sprout, and string of coins. I'm guessing this is a little print, a little art print. And then we've got some washi tape. Oh, I'm not sure that is washi tape. It's not. Oh, they're little stickers on. Oh, okay. I think these are little stickers. Yes, very thin washi stickers with all sorts of dots and squiggles. Lovely. Well, that come in handy for my planner. Great. One's come off on here. Right, let's have a look inside. Right, so here's the leaflet. It's obviously a botanical or sort of houseplant theme. And here's this month's artist, Jade Walsh. Meet this month's Papergang artist, our own in-house lead designer, Jade. Jade started at Oh Dear way back in December 2015. Find out more about what inspired this month's box. So a little flick through for you. Well, there's an example of how you can use the stickers in your planner or even on a calendar. Okay, so looks like we've got some little page markers here, pencils. There's quite a lot of little page markers there. Point sticker markers, it says. So there's a close-up. Does it say anything about those? 5 times 30 sheets for 80 GSM paper. So they're quite cute. What's this? So we have a little daily diary. Today is the day. It's got objectives, notes, and then it's got a schedule down the side, and at the bottom it says, "Today I am proud of." There's a little bit of almost like a gratitude section there. Let's see what it says about that. Desk pad, 50 sheets, so we've got 50 days worth there. Lovely. And then we have a pencil with a bright pink and black stripy effect on there. HB pencil, that's all it says, doesn't give much in the way of detail. So that's that. Okay, and what's this? It's a calendar. Oh, it is, right. Oh, there we go, it's upside down. 2021. Excellent, this is the first calendar I've had actually, so that's good. Let's have a look at this one. All right, so okay, so each, I don't know if you can see, each month has got a picture at the top, and then obviously the calendar at the bottom. So let's flick through the pictures. So we've got those lovely, what I would call house plants. And then it says a field guide to butterflies. I think the little booklet had her drawing some butterflies in there, so she's obviously she quite likes drawing those. You're super duper, with a nice shiny embossing there. And actually I am super duper because that's my birthday month, so that's a good one for March. And then April we've got, well, April showers with the rainbow pencils there. And then May we've got sun creams, sunblock, lip balms. Let's hope we get the sun in May then. And then June we've got a bicycle with flowers all over it saying ride on. July, creative ice cream flavours. Chile. And what's this got to do with the country? So Chile, Philippines it says. Rose petal, Mexico. Sweet potato, USA. Cactus, France. Coronation chicken, England. Smurf, Belgium. Mayonnaise, Scotland. Green tea, Japan. And chicken wing, Japan. Very strange indeed. Oh dear. Right. August. Oh my word, we've got a roller coaster. September, we've got the envelopes like we had on the outside of the box. October, we've got a ship in a bottle. And there's some little things in the water. We've got a shark's fin, a buoy, another buoy, sorry, a life belt and a buoy. And down here looks like a little snorkeler. If you can see that, little snorkeler. And then November, origami dinosaur. So that's how to make an origami dinosaur. And December, we've got some bow ties. There we go. And I think there's something in the bottom here. I think these are just some leaflets and flyers. So that's that. So December we had the calendar and the daily diary. We had the little page markers, the art print, the pencil, and the little roll of planner stickers. And that's the little guidebook. So there we are. So here's the contents of all three boxes. I think they are worth £14. I wasn't sure when I did my last unboxing, which, by the way, I will link that unboxing in the card above for you, so you can check that one out. I think the value is there. It sort of reminds me of Paper Chase products. They have quite matching themes and products you can get along the same line, so I like that. The October box, I wasn't sure about the writing set, but actually thinking about it, I think these would come in quite handy for writing thank you cards for our Christmas present. So if you give us a Christmas present this year, you could probably expect a thank you note using this. Also, I mean, this notepad is sort of neither here nor there. It's nothing special, but it will be handy. And obviously the rubber stamps are probably quite expensive to purchase, so I think the value is just there in that box. The November box is by far my favourite. I love Fox themes anyway, but I love the pin badge. I love this book. It's really good quality. And the cards, I like all of that. There's nothing I don't like. And with the December box, slightly underwhelmed by that one, but I am happy to have the calendar. I'm happy to have these little stickers that I could use in my planner and on the calendar. So yeah, I'm not sad to have any of this, actually, to be fair. So at the end of my last video, I did sort of think maybe I might cancel the subscription, but I think I will keep it going. I'm just intrigued to see what else can be received in these boxes. I'm sure we haven't seen everything. Obviously, I've only been a subscriber for 5 months now, and I'm not sure how long the company's been going, but I've been aware of them for a long time. So it'd be interested to see what else we get inside these boxes. So anyway, that's my summing up. Yes, I'm happy. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, and please subscribe to our channel. We have quite a lot of people who watch our channel that aren't subscribed, so it'd be great if you could subscribe and get our numbers up for us. All the information about these boxes I will leave in the description box, and also a link to the blog so you can check out some of our other articles and unboxings. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks very much. Bye.